The CoolerMaster ML120L stands out as an affordable gem that competes head-to-head with mid-range air coolers. Despite its small size, this AIO cooler offers the ease of mind that even the hottest CPUs can be cooled without breaking the bank. It has a straightforward all-black design with a single 120mm radiator and RGB fan. I really like this form factor, even if it is becoming more outdated with the rise in popularity of air coolers. Nevertheless, a liquid cooler will always have plenty of advantages that an air cooler simply cannot have. For starters, the size of the ML120L makes it compatible with virtually any case. You can run an AMD Ryzen 9 7950X overclocked at full capacity in an ITX case with this cooler, and it will be completely fine. On top of fitting in almost every case, it's compatible with virtually every CPU socket released in the past 2 decades. While the box containing the cooler has no indications, it does natively support the AM5 socket. The most important factor of an AIO is peak performance without causing noise. The fan, even under the strain of pushing all cores to their limits, remains barely audible at a mere 30 decibels. This is because the fan only spins at 1800 RPM, which does not cause any noise at all and pushes plenty of air. The fan speeds are user adjustable through software, so when it comes to pushing the CPU to its absolute limits, the fan can be pushed harder, but then it becomes noisy. Limiting the noise levels to 40 decibels gives the best balance between noise and performance. Looking at the direct competition, it seems as though the CoolerMaster ML120L stands alone. There is, however, the NZXT Kraken 120, which is an excellent alternative that performs on par with the ML120L, but NZXT is charging a significant premium for it. Other than that, the Corsair HS60X is a weaker 120mm cooler and should only be used for running CPUs that output around 150 watts of heat, so it cannot really be used for any AM5 Ryzen 9 CPU. In conclusion, the CoolerMaster ML120L is a cooler that does everything really well, and it's a great choice if you're on a budget. Its small size and affordable price, along with its excellent performance while remaining silent, gives it a clear edge over almost every cooler on this price range. To sum up, what I like is the small size, plenty of RAM and VRM clearance, and it's quite affordable. On the downside, heat dissipation is limited to about 200 watts. Our rating for design and aesthetics is 7 out of 10. Cooling performance, 8 out of 10. Noise, 8 out of 10. Features, 9.5 out of 10. Value for money, 9.5 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8 out of 10.